Folks, Kevin with the A-Home Design. We are at one of our projects that we just completed. I just want to give you a quick tour about what we did. Big transformation in this kitchen on the main level. Where I'm standing was a wall before, which was separating the dining area from the kitchen, and it was a very dark kitchen. And this wall had the double oven, some pantry cabinet. You can check on before pictures. We're going to show the before pictures to you that you can see how it looked before. We removed the wall totally and we pushed it back actually. We pushed the opening back. We kind of make the kitchen a little bit longer. And then here just was an indentation by drywall, which we now have installed the double oven and a full pantry. As you come further in, this was a drywall pantry, which we take it out, we open the walls, and then we put the refrigerator and another pantry to make it more functional. As far as the island, there was a very small island here, which we had a cooktop. The cooktop was in the island with a very inefficient downdraft. Again, check the before pictures, you will see we're going to show you that, how it looked before. But we moved the range to the wall over there. Actually, that's a range top with a hood, which is venting outside. And this helps with a lot with the ventilation. We have installed the pot filler. This is really handy when you want to fill up big pots. You don't have to carry it from the sink to the range, and it just retracts and can extend it. As we are moving here on this side, sink stayed where it was before, but we did a little bit of a design work here, which we added these floating shelves on the corner, which is a nice accent, and they match with the island, all of that. Okay, folks, thank you very much for watching this. Definitely go see before and after pictures, and you will see this big transformation and what you can do with your space in your home. Thank you and have a good day.